Hello, everybody, and welcome back once again to our online session. Students, today I am going to explain you a very funny poem, and the title of the poem is The Height of the Ridiculous. Many a times it happens that we listen something very much funny and we start laughing uncontrollably. There is no control on our laughter. Sometimes it can be very dangerous also. So we need to be careful about that. So here we find that the poet of the poem, he is a poet himself and he writes funny poems. So on one such occasion also he writes some funny lines, and the poet himself says that his lines are very much funny. So after writing those funny lines, he calls his servant and he hands over the note to him and tells him to give those lines to the printer. So the servant read those lines, and as he starts reading that funny poem, he starts reacting. After reading the first line, he started laughing, and when he read the second line, the intensity of the laughter increased. When he read the third line, he started laughing violently by making loud noise. And when he read the fourth line, again the intensity of his laughter increased and he started laughing with a loud sound. And when he read the fifth line, his waistband got broken. And when he read the sixth line, the buttons, his five buttons got broken. And there was so much effect on that person of this laughter that in a way he just became like a mad. And the poet saw that for the next 10 days and nights he was not even able to sleep. So here we find that sometimes uncontrollable laughter is also very much dangerous. And by seeing the condition of the servant after that incident, the poet decides never to write the funny lines. Now I'll explain you the poem through the lines. So let's see. I wrote some lines once on a time. So as I said that once the poet writes some lines in wondrous merry mood. Wondrous means delightful, happy. So once the poet was in a happy mood, so he wrote some funny lines and thought, as usual, men would say they were exceeding good. Exceeding good means too much good. They were so queer. Queer means strange, so very queer. I loved as I would die. So the poet says that he himself got the reaction after reading that poem. It affected him also. He started laughing by reading his own lines. Albeit means though. In the general way, a sober man am I. Sober means serious. His nature, by nature, he is very serious. But after reading those funny lines written by himself, he started laughing. I called my servant and he came. How kind it was of him to mind a slender man like me. Slender means very slim. He of the might limb. Might means powerful, and limbs means organs of the body. So here the poet says that his servant was very strong physically and the poet himself was very weak. These to the printer, I exclaimed. So the poet handed over that note to the servant and told him to hand over to the printer for printing. And in my humorous way, I added, as a trifling jest. Jest means humor, joking. There will be the devil to pay. He took the paper and I watched and saw him peep within. Peep means look inside. So the poet saw that the servant was reading the lines. At the first line he read, his face was all upon the green. What is the meaning of green? Green means start laughing by showing the teeth. So, what was the reaction of the servant when he read the first line? After reading the first line, he started laughing. He read the next. The green grew broad, means the intensity of the laughter increased after reading the second line, and shot from ear to ear, means he was moving so much while laughing. He read the third, a chuckling noise. So, how did he react when he read the third line? After reading the third line, he started making a loud sound while laughing. I now began to hear the fourth. Now let us see how does he react after reading the fourth line. He broke into a roar. Roar means laughing violently. And the fifth, his waistband split. Split means got broken. So after reading the fifth line, we find that the servant's waistband got broken. And the sixth, he burst five buttons. So after reading the sixth line, because of heavy movements, what happened? His five buttons got broken and tumbled. Tumbled in a fit means he fell down 10 days and nights with sleepless eyes. So, here the miseries of the servant do not end. After that, the poet saw the condition of that servant, that for almost 10 days and 10 nights he was not able to sleep properly. I watched that wretched man. Here, wretched means in helpless condition, poor condition. The poet observed the poor condition of that servant, and since I never dare means to have the courage to write as funny as I can. So, by seeing the pitiable condition of the servant, after that incident, the poet decided not to write such funny lines.